Here's how the USA football jerseys are made for FIFA World Cup 2026. In a state-of-the-art facility somewhere in the American industrial heartland, a revolution in sportswear is underway. It starts with a vision. A kit that embodies a nation's pride. A design team pores over every detail. The wave of the stripes, the depth of the blue, the iconic wavy stripes, bold red, crisp white, flowing like the American spirit.
Before a single thread is woven, every panel is engineered to exacting specifications. The pattern is digitized, color-matched, and prepared for production. Precision at this stage means perfection on the pitch. The journey begins with thread, not cotton, but advanced recycled polyester, engineered for elite performance. Circular knitting machines transform thread into fabric at incredible speed.
This is dry fit technology, slint, moisture wicking, lightweight, and built for 90 minutes of war.
Hundreds of meters of performance fabric, ready to become legendary. Every meter is inspected. Flaws are not an option when you're representing a nation. In the lab, the fabric is tortured, stretched, soaked, heated, and stressed. Once approved, the blank canvas is prepared for its transformation. Now, color enters the story. Dye sublimation, the secret weapon of modern kit manufacturing. At 200 degrees Celsius, the dye doesn't sit on top, it becomes one with the fabric.
The iconic horizontal large stripes emerge, flowing across the fabric like the stripes of a flag in motion.
Permanently bonded, fade-proof, sweat-proof, battle-tested. Each printed sheet is checked. The horizontal stripe must flow perfectly. The red must burn with intensity.
Color is measured to the nanometer. USA Red is not just red, it's a specific, sacred shade.
Approved panels roll forward to the next phase.
Meanwhile, a different fabric receives its own identity, the deep navy blue of collar and cuffs. This blue carries the weight of history, the same blue worn by American champions past. The collar requires special construction, a ribbed knit that hugs the neck without restricting.
The cuffs must grip without squeezing, stay put through every slide and sprint.
Two fabrics, one destiny. The pieces are ready. Now they must become whole.
Automated spreaders lay up to 50 layers of fabric with robotic precision. A computer-guided blade slices through the stack itself. Front panels, back panels, sleeves. Every piece is cut with sub-millimeter accuracy. Pattern matching is critical. The horizontal stripe must align perfectly at every seam.
The collar is cut separately, a precision operation on its own.
Small but essential, the cuffs that frame every player's gesture. Each kit is bundled column, a complete jersey ready for assembly.
Every bundle is tracked. Every jersey has a digital fingerprint.
From cutting to sewing, the journey continues. The needle is threaded. The machine is set. Let the assembly begin. Shoulder seams first. The foundation of the garment.
Flat lock seams lie flat against the skin. No irritation, no distraction.
The collar goes on. Navy blue against the storm of stripes, a frame for the athlete's face.
A cover stitch machine binds the collar with twin rows, annulum, strong, stretchy, permanent. The transformation is immediate. A garment becomes a jersey. The sleeves, where power is generated, where crosses are delivered. Each sleeve is set with care, ensuring full range of motion. The navy cuff, a signature detail, a touch of class.
Twin needles secure the cuff, completing the sleeve construction.
Side seams close the circuit. The jersey now has shape, structure, soul.
Excess threads are trimmed. The construction is clean.
Before the badges, before the names, this is already unmistakably USA.
Heat and pressure. The alchemy that bonds identity to fabric.
The swoosh. Positioned with millimeter precision on the right chest. 14 seconds at 160 degrees. A permanent bond is forged.
The carrier film peels away, leaving the mark of a global icon.
And on the left chest, the crest, the shield, everything it means to represent the United States.
Pressed with the same heat, the same pressure, the same pride.
Two symbols, one heartbeat. This is what 330 million Americans will wear.
Inside the collar, the Declaration, the United States of America.
The World Cup 2026 patch. Proof that this jersey belongs on the world's biggest stage.
Complete, but not yet ready. Every jersey must pass the final trial, the quality control station, where good is separated from exceptional.
Every dimension is verified. Chest, length, sleeve, exactly to the player's specification.
Seams are stress tested. They must survive the pull of a desperate last-minute tackle. 100 wash cycles simulate a season of wear. The colors must hold. The red still burns. The white still shines. The blue still commands respect. Approved jerseys move to finishing, each one a perfect replica of the prototype.
A final steam press. Crisp, sharp, ready for presentation.
Hold it with the same care a player will wear it. Premium packaging for a premium product. The unboxing is part of the ritual.
From one factory, thousands of jerseys, bound for stadiums, stores, and living rooms across the nation.
From factory floor to front door, the final journey begins.
And then, the moment. When fabric becomes legacy. When a shirt becomes a symbol.
This is how USA's World Cup jersey is made. From thread to triumph. From factory to forever.